Hey everyone, wanted to show you Ford's new Pro Access tailgate, new on the 2024 F-150. This is an optional item on some of the trims or standard item on some of the higher trims. But that being said, let's take a look at it. This is on a F-150 Lariat 502A high package right now. That's what we have in front of us. So obviously you see the creases in the tailgate there. Now this does have, of course, when you get this tailgate, you still get the power functionality. So if we take this remote and we click 2 times, our tailgate is gonna power down. And let's just take a look at it before I show you how it opens up in the Pro Access version and whatnot. So this tailgate is very similar to what we've had before with the power tailgate, but they've changed the location of a few things. Now this is where you kind of can put some screws and stuff if you're working on an item. If you've got something that you don't want to roll, it's got indentations. This is a spot I always like this to be able to prop up your phone or tablet to put on YouTube videos if you're doing how-to stuff. Again, just more indentation, so if you're going to throw something, it's not deep, but it'll maybe keep it from rolling off. Same as here, and then with more screw holes here. So that's all great. Also a little bit of a measuring stick. This is also super durable material, extra durable that they put on there. And then where the seams go on the inside, they do have this weather stripping just to keep that clean and free of debris and whatnot. So they've done a really good job with all that. Also, they still retain the C-channel ability. So this is what this means is you can put a C-clamp right here if you're clamping on a piece of wood or something else to it. You still have a reinforced section right here and here to be able to do that. They've also still kept your tie strap holder for longer items from either side. That doubles as a bottle cap opener from the bottom, so that's all great. And again, power down. Twice we hit this, power up. So that is kind of the look of everything. Now we can take that tailgate down power by using this toggle inside here, but we're going to open up the barn door style. Oh, I just dropped that. Okay, let's open that up. So we've got this open now. Why is this beneficial? Why would you want to do this? Well, there's a few different reasons. A, if you are loading something in the back here, you no longer have to get the tailgate out of your way. So before I would have to stand maybe back here and just try to reach over the tailgate to grab items. Now I don't have to do that. I can go right up close. If I've got something here at the end, or if I'm trying to reach further into the box, I can do that just from the back here, nice and quick. The other item that it's nice for is getting up and in the truck. So some of the tailgates did have a tailgate step. That was great. This doesn't have a tailgate step. It's not available with a tailgate step. However, I can get up in the box just by putting my foot here. I can even use this with my arm or the other side, brace myself, and come up into the box. So that's handy. Also, sometimes if you are pulling a trailer, then maybe you don't want your tailgate to come all the way down. Maybe you just want to open it a little bit, just to crack, just to grab something out of there. You don't have to put the tailgate all the way down. It's just flexibility. It's just options. I like how it's done. Without the tailgate step in there also, that is a bit lighter. So tailgate step did make it weigh a bit more, so it's kind of nice that it's a bit lighter. And it works really well. I mean, it was quite easy to open and stuff there, even though you saw me fumble for a second. It's pretty handy. It's, you know, it seems to be well built, so it's good. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that. It's the new Pro Access tailgate from Ford. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do me a huge favor, as always, and click subscribe to that channel. If you want to do me a really big favor, you can hit the thumbs up item, and that'll support this channel. Or if you want to see more videos, just hit the bell icon to be notified every time I make a video. Thanks, everyone.